So welcome back children. Today we will study about redox reaction. As the name indicates, redox means stands for reduction, whereas ox stand for oxidation. So those reaction in which reduction and oxidation occur simultaneously are called redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction occur together. Those reactions are called redox reaction. Now before we proceed further, we should know what is the difference between oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means that reaction in which there is either loss of hydrogen or gain of oxygen. For example, Cu plus O2 gives CuO. Now here you can see that in case of reactant Cu, there is no oxygen, but in product there is addition of oxygen. So those reaction in which there is addition of oxygen, Cu changes to CuO. There is addition of O in case of Cu. Those reactions are called oxidation reaction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen. Okay. Now second one is reduction. Now what is reduction? Those reactions in which there is either loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. For example, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Let us consider this reaction. Here you can see that CuO changes to Cu. That means here initially there was oxygen, but now in product there is no oxygen. So what happened here? There is reduction. Loss of oxygen means reduction. Whereas in case of H2, you can see that H2 changes to H2O. So what happened here? Here there is addition of oxygen in H2. So oxidation occur. So CuO to Cu is reduction, whereas H2 to H2O is oxidation. Now let us consider two redox reaction in detail. See, we will consider this reaction. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Here you can see that CuO changes to Cu. So loss of oxygen occur. This is known as reduction. And in case of H2, H2 changes to H2O. So in H2, there is addition of oxygen in product. So there is gain of oxygen, that means oxidation occurs. Now in the examination, generally a question comes, that is, name the substance oxidized, name the substance reduced, name the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Children, just make sure that you have to consider only reactants in these cases. Majority of children commit this mistake. They tend to write products in the answer. So the answer will be from reactant only. So you have to write, first see, substance oxidized. So what is oxidized? H2 is converted to H2O. So that means H2 is oxidized. Second thing is substance reduced. What is reduced? CuO is converted to Cu. So CuO is reduced. Now, two more important things. One is oxidizing agent. Just keep it in mind. It is just reverse. Oxidized, the substance which is oxidized, that will be reducing agent, and the substance which is reduced, that will be oxidizing agent. So oxidized is what? H2. So it will be reducing agent. And reduced is what? CuO. So it will be oxidizing agent. So the answer will be from reactants only, not from the products. Now the second reaction is this one. Now see, MnO2 is changes to MnCl2. So here O is there, but in the product O is not there. So there is loss of oxygen, it is reduction. Similarly HCl. Here hydrogen is there, but in Cl2 there is no hydrogen. So there is loss of hydrogen. Loss of hydrogen means oxidation. So the substance oxidized is HCl. Substance reduced is MnO2. I have told you oxidizing and reducing agent are reverse. So oxidized is HCl. so it will be reducing agent. Reduced is MnO2, so it will be oxidizing agent. Thank you.